Hello guys! So today we are now in the actual unit of 3-bedroom with balcony of Uptown Arts Residence. Siyempre, all our unit is keycard access na. Siyempre, at upon entering, ang unang bubungan sa atin will be our spacious living area. And in this side is our smart home switches. And on top that, meron na rin tayong kasamang intercom na connected sa lobby natin. And on this side is our shared toilet and bath na complete sanitary fittings upon turnover. Meron pa dito, itong area na to will be our kitchen area. Siyempre, ang kasama dito is the 6-burner induction hob, then we have range hood, at built-in oven na siya. And the kitchen sink and retractable faucet came from Frank, and our top and under kitchen cabinet made from Hacker na soft close na tayo dito. Siyempre, 3-bedroom is may kasama na siyang 2-door refrigerator. And on this side naman is our spacious living area ni 3-bedroom unit of Uptown Arts Residence. And may kasama na itong isang split-type inverter aircon. At kinagandahan dito, yung 3-bedroom natin, yung living area niya is may access na on the balcony. Tara guys! So this will be your view upon turnover. And we were going to the bedroom number 1. Siyempre, bukod dun, in this part is your shared toilet and bath na may kasama na siyang complete shower set. So this will be your bedroom number 1 na may kasama na siyang modular closet. And soft close na tayo dito. At kung mapapansin natin, this is a ceramic plank wood finish. And bedroom number 1 is may kasama na siyang inverter split type aircon. While on this side is your bedroom number 2. So just like bedroom number 1, meron na siyang kasama modular closet and split type inverter aircon. And kinagandahan dito, our bedroom number 2 is meron na tayong full glass mirror na merong view of Makati and Ortigas. While this will be your master's bedroom of your 3-bedroom. Ang kinaganahan din sa master bedroom natin ay meron tayong walk-in closet. And all walk-in closet, syempre, meron tayong full glass mirror. And there's more. On this side will be your toilet and bath na may kasama na siyang bathtub. And access on the balcony is on this side. Ang view natin will be the Mitsukoshi Mall or the Japanese Mall and the Landers. So on this side naman, pwede natin ilagay yung ating bedroom and enjoy the view of Makati skyline. So guys, we have 2 units left of 3-bedroom of Uptown Arts Residence. So if you are interested, you can contact me on my details below so that I can assist you acquire 3-bedroom here in Uptown Arts Residence. So what you're waiting for? Inquire now.